everybody, welcome to 60-second series After Effects tutorial, and today we're going to be learning about green screen work and key lighting. So I've done some green screen work in the past for Star Paramore and also in my previous 60-second series episodes, but for this one specifically we're going to be talking about episode 3, which was our coronavirus episode. We teamed up with Sirius XM, Mashup Ryan, a radio personality, Media Wave Productions, Crafty Views, a lot of different great people were on this one. So right now I'm going to just play it for you and show you. First thing you want to do is open up After Effects and create your composition. After Effects is built off of compositions. They're basically independent timelines, so that way you can create something independently and work with it like that. That's how After Effects kind of goes off of. So we have a composition here. It's called Comp 11. You're supposed to name your stuff, but whatever. So it's Comp 11 and you want to add your footage. And then you want to go over here to the side where your effects panel is. And then you want to just type in key light. And key light is basically like defining transparency within like a video, defining the transparency with a specific value. So anything that we key light with that value will then be transparent in our video. So I'm going to put on key light 1.2 over our first clip, just drag and drop. And then once I do that, it comes over into our effect controls panel. So you want to go down in here. We have all different types of cool stuff like screen grain, screen balance, all different types of stuff in here. But I want to go ahead and just define a little bit more. I'm going to put key light spill suppressor. Drag and drop. Okay, that's the one. So once I put on key light spill suppressor, that's also going to add my key cleaner and my advanced spill suppressor as well. These are just like a little bit more advanced things to go ahead and really define all of that green and get it all out of there. So basically what I want to do is go up to the screen color, and we're doing this in the basis of coronavirus. So we want that background or that foreground to be green. And again, normally if you were working with a green screen, you wanted to like have like a video or whatever it is that you want to put behind it, behind that green screen that you're keying out. So I'm going to go ahead and go up to the green section. Make it like a mossy, like this, like a mossy green kind of. All right, great. So that's on there. Let's now I want to go ahead and check out all of these. I think I'm going to leave all this how it is. Standard is good. I'm going to go ahead and click the advanced spill suppressor, just because I feel like, let me darken the screen up a little bit more. Just because I feel like I want like a little bit more of a grungy look. I want to get as much green out as possible, as much of the green screen out as possible. And I'm also using an advanced spill suppressor because we were kind of working against the sun when it came to this project. Normally when you have a green screen, you want to like light it really nice. That way, like when you go into After Effects, you don't have to do too much with the key lighting. It's just kind of like doing it for you. But for this, we wanted to be outside. We wanted to do that like in-depth look when it goes across. So I'm gonna have to add that advanced spill suppressor. But normally I don't think I would do so much as well. Do too much with that. And just like that. And that is how you key out lighting. Check us out for our next After Effects tutorial, where I'm going to go through how we did it with Star Paramore when we pulled the girl out of the TV screen. And episode 4 comes out tonight. Black Lives Matter. Great cast, great crew. Thank you everyone for on that. Make sure you watch that one.